Oh, I just got a new book from Drag Racing, Rebels.
That's a beautiful cover.
Boyce, he lives in Canada, and it's all about American Hot Rod Association. When they started, and all the time they raced it, and all the pictures of it, thousands of pictures of it, good, and a lot of information about different cars and stuff that raced in there, and over the years it started out, and the history of American Hot Rod Association.
Okay.
It's had a lot of tracks in Phoenix.
Right.
Not in Phoenix, but Phoenix had one, California had several, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Ohio, some back east was American Hot Rod Association. And it was mainly really involved in the 70s. 70s until 80s and stuff like that. So we always raced American Hot Rod Association.
Yeah.
And,
So are some of your cars documented in there?
I have 3 pictures of our cars, actually 4 pictures of our cars in here. I give Doug a lot of information about some different publications about American Hot Rod Association and stuff. And I have pictures in here on page 152, and 149 and 123
Okay.
of our cars. And
Yeah.
really some nice pictures.
So you gave him some assistance putting that together, apparently, a little bit.
He spent a lot of time on it. I think he done a lot of interviews and stuff, and probably traveled a lot
Yeah.
to put the book together. So it's really a nice book.
Cool.
I'd encourage anybody, if they want to learn about or interested in the history of American Hot Rod Association and drag racing. A lot of pictures of Garlets and everybody else in the different cars they go on. So it's really a nice magazine.
Very cool. Well, thanks.
Anybody buying it.
Yeah, that's a good tip there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Good.
Thanks, Ed.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.